I'll be showing you different ways to make knotless braid and the signs that you are actually making a wrong knotless braid. So if this sounds like what you want to learn, then stay tuned and keep watching. So once you have sectioned the parts that you want to make, go ahead and secure it and braid without adding any attachment. This is just to make it knotless. I've seen some people that actually, when they're doing their knotless braid, they are adding extension directly. They're adding extension directly, and I'm going to show you the result that this method is going to give you. So stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, this is a method that looks like you are doing a Ghana weaving. If you know what Ghana weaving means, there's this weaving that you're adding attachment, and if you're adding an attachment like I just did now, then that means it's Ghana weaving. I don't know if this is what they generally call it Ghana weaving, but this kind of boss braid is Ghana weaving method of knotless braid. For the next method, once you're done securing the roots of the hair, then get the extension and add. So this is a beginner friendly method. If you are adding the attachments, you are going to use the black hair and cover it in a way that you don't get to see the extension that you are adding. I just felt that this method is easy and is also beginner friendly for those who don't want the attachment to come out on top on their knotless braid. So this is the method that you can do to achieve a neat knotless braid. Once you are done securing the root, then you position your hand in a way that you can add extension in a way that covers the extension that you are adding. So once you are done adding about 3 to 4 extensions, you can go ahead and braid the normal braid. This is applicable in all the knotless braid. Once you are done adding the extension, then you go ahead and braid it. This is the outcome of the method, and you can see the difference between the first one and the second one. For this method again that I'm going to do a method that you can also do if you want to do a knotless braid and you don't want to do the second one that I did. So I'm going to also show you how to do it. The usual way is to secure the root of the hair. Now after you're done securing the root of the hair, then get the extension, add. If you add the extension, you're going to just remove one, then also take it back and cover. Once you have done positioning your hand in a way that you are comfortable doing this method, then it will be easy for you. Just add the extension, then flip it and braid, then you cross it over. Depending on the weight of attachment that you are adding is what determines how full or how thick your knotless braid is going to appear. And this method, if you don't add too much of extension, the extension is not going to cover the hair, especially if you are making the knotless braid on a dark hair, but it's still going to look knotless and it's still going to look neat. We're going to also compare the 4 of them. I'm going to show you the difference in each of them for you to know the one to choose when making your knotless braid. Alright, this 4 knotless braid that I just made. Now the difference in this is that these two, I added extension on top. As you can see, this is it. It's knotless, but I added extension. For this one, as you can see the difference between this one and the first one. Then the third one also, this is it. For these two, I didn't add any attachment or extension on top when I was doing the braiding, and for the other two I added on top, as you can see. So tell me guys what you think about these two methods. I hope this video was helpful. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.